Imagine this. You're in the middle of a coding sprint, the deadline is closing in, and suddenly your code breaks. You do what most of us do. Copy the error, paste it into Google or ChatGPT, and hope for the best. But what happens? You get answers that are outdated, examples that don't even run, or worse, suggestions that break even more things in your project. Frustrating, right? Now, imagine instead you had an AI assistant that not only gives you real, updated solutions from Stack Overflow, GitHub, and developer docs, but can also connect directly to your own project repo to understand exactly what you're working on. That tool exists, and today, we're going to talk about it. It's called Devv.ai, and it might just be the next big thing in AI for developers. Now, before we dive in, let me set the stage. Traditional coding assistants like ChatGPT are trained on static data. That means they have a knowledge cutoff. They don't always know about the latest library changes, updated APIs, or even new frameworks that pop up every few months. Devv.ai flips that on its head. Instead of being limited to what it learned months or even years ago, it actively pulls live data from sources like Stack Overflow, GitHub issues, and DevDocs. So when you ask it a question, you're not just getting a guess based on old training data. You're getting the most recent answers from the actual developer community. When you first head over to Devv.ai, you'll land on a clean, minimal homepage with a big, bold message. Ship AI-powered products. Fast. In the top right corner, click on Sign Up. It's a quick process. You can either use your Google account or sign up with an email. Once you're logged in, your profile icon will appear in the corner, showing that you're ready to start creating. Now, back on the main dashboard, you'll see that text box again. This is where you describe your idea. When you click on the Integration tab, you'll notice a variety of built-in tools that Devv.ai offers. Things like database storage, email automation, web search, and even a web reader for extracting content. You'll also find more advanced options, like Nano Banana, an image generation model powered by Gemini 2.5. All of these can be added with a single click. No complicated setup required. Once you've described your project idea and selected your integrations, Devv.ai instantly begins structuring it for you. For example, if you're building a podcast generator, you'll see core features automatically laid out. Inputting the topic and duration, generating natural host-guest dialogue, customizing character personalities, choosing from different voices, and even adding background music or transition effects. What's powerful here is how fast this process is. Instead of manually wiring together APIs or setting up frameworks, when you click on the arrow, the platform immediately takes the idea you just typed and starts building the first version of your project. You'll notice on the left-hand side that it lays out your project's core features. In this case, a podcast content generator. It lists things like inputting a topic and duration, generating host-guest dialogue, adjusting character personalities, selecting voices, adding background music, and exporting high-quality audio. It even includes data management features like saving scripts and managing episode history. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the message, Dev is building your first version. This is where Devv.ai actually begins coding behind the scenes. It's not just giving you a plan, it's actively writing the structure of your app. As the process continues, you'll see Devv.ai break the project down into phases. For example, it recognizes that building a podcast tool is complex, so it starts with phase 1, creating a structured plan before diving into the actual development.
Now that phase 1 is complete and we have the core podcast AI studio up and running, it's time to move into phase 2. This is where things start to get really exciting, because now we're not just building a basic app, we're transforming it into a full production-ready studio. In this phase, Dev begins by checking the project's roadmap inside the Todo file to see what needs to be added next. Once it identifies the requirements, it dives straight into updating the studio page of the app. And here's where the magic happens. Dev starts adding advanced voice and audio features that make the studio feel professional. Some of the key upgrades being implemented in this stage include multiple voice selection, which means you're no longer limited to just one AI voice. You can now assign different voices to different characters in your podcast, like a host, a guest, or even a narrator. On top of that, there's voice character mapping, so the AI knows exactly which character is speaking at each point in the script. But that's not all. Devv also introduces audio export functionality. This means you can generate a full podcast episode and download it directly as an audio file, like MP3 or WAV, ready to publish to platforms like Spotify or Apple Podcasts. To take things up another notch, background music integration and transition effects are added, giving your episodes that polished, professional feel with smooth segment changes and music overlays.
So, what we're seeing here is a major evolution. In Phase 1, we had a simple framework that could generate scripts and voices. But in Phase 2, Devv is transforming that into a complete studio environment where you can produce, mix, and export a podcast from start to finish, all powered by AI. So, should you use Devv.ai? In my opinion, yes. If you're a developer who's tired of outdated AI answers, this tool is worth trying. The live data integration alone makes it stand out. The GitHub repo connection is the cherry on top. I can see this becoming a must-have for coding teams, especially in fast-moving fields like web development, where libraries change constantly. Now, before we wrap up, want to try it out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. And hey, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you trust an AI to read your GitHub repo and suggest fixes? Or do you think that's still too risky? Drop your answers in the comments. I'll be reading and responding to the best ones. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button so more developers can discover tools like this. And of course, subscribe to AI LedgerX, because on this channel we explore the cutting edge of AI tools and how they're reshaping the way we code, create, and build. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.